Hello, welcome back to my channel Maison Network, and I'm gonna do this WS-887 original or fake. This is original or fake. Which one is better? Which one is better? This is a full review. Actually, I done the unboxing, and also I done the video of the features, and also the comparison of the fake and also original, and how to improve the features like a radio and everything. So if you watch the video, then you will know which one is better. But my overall opinion between fake and original, I love fake. Sorry, I love original. I love original more because of they have the sound is much more better. The bass is there, the clarity is there, and then the original one, and another shutter, the external features. Shutter, which is the fake doesn't have it, and then it's actually I done the video of comparison. You can see clearly which one is fake and which one is original. So the original, I repeat back, original with this yellow strap, and then this is black strap for the fake, and then the original came with this Wster model WS-887 stated on the speaker, but for the fake doesn't have any. And then the color also, original is much more better, and then they have the quality, QC pass from China. So another one for the comparison, if you want to buy which one is the original and also fake, so you just look into the box. So the original came with red color and red color sign of the call there, and then fake with the blue color. Alright, the rest is the same. Yeah, please go with the original. I'll put on the link below the video of the original, and also it's same shop which sell the original and also fake. So fake is 10 ringgit, original is 19.90. So you can go from there. And I like this actually to compare with other Bluetooth speaker. Not to compare a lot, but with the same standard speakers, this is much more better. And then a lot of features, which is the aux input. So I watch TV in my room now, my TV, and then I link with the aux wire. So I put it inside here, so I can listen to the TV next to me like that. So this is the extra features. And then sound is good. So yeah, you should try this. That's all review from me, and from the original and fake WS-887 original and fake. Thank you for watching. Bye.